Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adalo collection changes with exports, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Adalo collection changes, start by logging into your Adalo account. Once logged in, navigate to the app you want to backup. In the left sidebar, select the database section. Locate the collection you wish to export from the list. Click on the collection to view its details. In the top right corner, look for the Export button. Click the Export button to initiate the export process. A drop-down menu will appear, offering options for export formats. Choose the format you prefer for your backup. After your selection, the export will begin automatically. Wait for the export to complete, this may take a few moments. Once the export is finished, a download prompt will appear. Select a location on your computer to save the exported file. Confirm that the file has downloaded successfully. To ensure everything is backed up, open the exported file. Verify that all collection data is present and accurate. Repeat these steps for any additional collections you wish to back up. Consider scheduling regular backups for ongoing security of your data. Now you have a complete backup of your Adalo collection changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.